Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is my super simple turbo bread recipe. It's based on like the no-knead bread recipe, but it's a lot faster. What I'm doing here is adding 3 cups of flour. I'll leave the recipe below. Half a teaspoon of yeast. You can use active dry. You can use whatever kind of yeast you want. A teaspoon of salt. And you just want to use basic sea salt or basic table salt. You don't want to use kosher salt. And then the most important thing is 1.5 cups of water. And you want to keep that about close to 130 degrees. So I do use this to measure it. I know it doesn't show it because I pulled the thermometer out too quick and it dropped, but not over 130 degrees because otherwise it'll kill the yeast. And then just stir it up so it's a nice shaggy mixture.
Now we have our dough mixed up. So this is kind of what you're looking for. You're looking for kind of a nice, and you'll see it. It's a nice shaggy consistency is what they say. But it's not fully done. You might need to add some more flour if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and add Italian seasoning at this time. Did I just say at this time? Some garlic powder. And this is just a taste because this is what I like. I'm gonna add some banana peppers. So these are just banana pepper rings. I go ahead and add those. I'm draining out the water a little bit because I don't want to add more liquid at this point. Chop those up, and the same thing with the olives too. And we're back. There's our dough. It's all mixed up, ready to go. You might have to add more flour. So you do want kind of this consistency. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put on some plastic wrap, cover it up, put it in an oven for 3 hours, and then we'll be back. We wanna let it proof up at this point. So we'll just let it sit. But there's our dough right there. Catch y'all back then.
Hey y'all, so the bread proofed. So we've been letting it sit for 3 hours in just an oven that's turned off. I put parchment paper in my Dutch oven. So you do want a heavy duty pan for this. And we're gonna put that in at 450 degrees and heat that up. So there's the brute dough itself, and then you got a floured surface. So you can roll it out.
Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take it out of our Dutch oven. It's about 450 degrees. It's been sitting in there for a while with the parchment paper and the lid on top. I'm gonna pull that on out. I've gone ahead and taken the liberty of cutting up our dough into four kind of bun-sized pieces. So if you want to take a look at that, went ahead and did that. Use this dough scraper to cut them up. You can use a knife too. Like I say, you can add whatever seasonings you want too. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the Dutch oven, and they'll cook for about 45 minutes at 450. We'll pull the lid off, and then we'll let it cook for an initial 15 minutes. So you just kind of want to drop these down in there. This one's a little sticky. So we're going to go ahead and put these in. Just wash my hands up. Makes it a little easier. We'll go ahead and put these in the oven at 450 for about 45 minutes. And we'll take a look at them then. Take the lid off and heat them up for another about 10-15 minutes or so. meet you back then.
Well, there you have it. We hit 15 minutes, additional 15 minutes without the lid on, and I took out the parchment paper. Here's our bread right here. It's looking really good, and it's crunchy. Do a taste test right now. Get that crunch from the bread. Get that banana pepper taste. Like I say, make this your own. Get the taste of Italian spices. It's really good. This is good bread. I highly recommend it. If you haven't made bread, it's super quick and easy to do. So make bread, y'all. Cheers. Till later.